So this one over here is the oxygen sensor precat. Yeah, and here is the connection. So let's get that out. Like that.
Okay.
And then you can pause. So we just press that here and pull it out. And there is a,
You just like
push it.
Yeah.
And it pops out. And you just take that one out from here. And then here is a tricky thing. Yeah, so cool. So it's open now. And then you try to use your muscle a little bit. What do you get?
And what do you unscrew?
Oh my god. That's really
So easy
strong.
trying to unscrew. Okay, so you have to take this thing off by pressing this button right there, and then
Take that out.
take this thing out. But it's almost impossible. Me and my dad tried to do it, but it's super hard. This thing. Then you see this, yeah, that thing. It's right down the engine.
Yeah.
We tried to take that thing out, but you have to take that out to install your oxygen sensor. It's super hard. And Baba, is this on all vehicles like this?
Some vehicles have a different location.
Yeah, some vehicles have different locations. But if you have an Audi or any other vehicle,
It's not coming out.
you should probably like see if it's in the same spot. But it's not coming out for us, which is bad.
Because we don't have proper tools.
Yeah.
It's not coming out.
Imagine you attach that to a drill, then.
Yeah.
Can you actually buy one of those?
Yeah.
Is that even possible though? You might want to buy a drill with a wrench attached to it. It might make it easier. Or you can just go to a mechanic. But it's super hard.
Why it's so tight? Is it I'm moving in the opposite direction? So if I move it like that.
Wait, Baba, try on this. So, yeah, this is on loose. I think that side's on loose, right?
So you go like it's like that is tight.
Try on tight. No, but then the whole bumper.
Man, that's crazy. I never thought it is that.
Tight. Baba, I think you should try putting it
Like how?
like. Maybe you can just pull it out. Like.
No.
No. Or Baba, I think you should try pulling it. But that might be like tight. Yeah, just try pulling it. Okay, we're trying to pull it. Baba, now try. My light's on.
Oh, that's okay. It's really tight. So it's not. Looks like it's not gonna come out. It's the time to replace the oxygen sensor of Audi Q3 2016. Come with you. And then here we got a oxygen sensor. And Adu, you hold this one. And what we need
Noise.
this one.
Show them what you've got.
Yeah, come on here.
It's a bit noisy.
So what we got is this one over here, as you can see, and it's already pre-greased. I'll keep it here. All right, and now let's take out the plug.
Don't worry about that. It's just a tool.
Yeah. And you just press and pull. It's out.
Wait, tell them what you
just need
press.
to press this and pull it out.
Okay.
And just over here, you just press and take it out. And here too. You just have to pull it out from that clip over there, and it's open. And now what is remain is this part. You remember last time we tried that with a
Yeah. It'll be in the video later.
yeah, with this spanner.
Yup, it would not work.
With this spanner, to show this spanner would never work. So you have to use the breaker bar and the oxygen sensor removal thingy and hold on, and you just use your muscles and push, and then that's it. It's loose. Once it is loose, you can. Oh, it's pretty hot.
It's super hot.
Got that out. Got that oxygen thing out. One handy trick is let your engine run for a bit so that it's easy to take it out, and then you can use a normal spanner. Don't use your hands, they're really hot.
And they might burn it.
Yeah, it's pretty loose, but I can't use my hand because
Cannot use your hand.
ideally you should use the hand gloves, but I don't have one, so I'm gonna try with this one.
Yep, you forgot it.
Yeah, so I'm gonna it's pretty hard.
It's coming through it.
You just unrotate.
While he's doing that, we might as well show you Audi.
Here it is. Look at that. Look at that, how black it is.
Ooh.
Can you focus? Yeah. Look at that, how black it is. So it means it's definitely stopped working, you know. So yeah, let's
That's
check
a
the new one.
sign of bad
Let's check the
luck.
new one. Look at that.
Yeah.
They look exactly same, right? And
Bad
how do you
one,
hold this one?
good one.
Good one. And then look at the connections. They look exactly same too. So yeah, looks like we got the
Good one.
correct one. Oh, how do you? Yeah. Oh, what was that sound?
Wait, which one?
And where did you buy this from?
Wait, Bo, you have to tell me where did you buy
Yeah,
it?
where did you buy this from?
Oh, we got this online. I'll tell you. I'll put the links down in the video.
Link in the comments. So don't on your engine while doing this. Move that aside.
So time to put it back.
Time to install it. Some cars might not have in the same place, but you can still use the tutorial.
And then you slowly,
You can screw it in with your hands.
yeah, to start with. Just do it. Like do it a finger tight. Once it's finger tight, give me that one. This one. Let's try with this. Let's
The
try.
wrench.
Yeah, let's try this and see how much. How much we can tighten it.
Yes, sir.
slide it like that. Might have to use little bit muscles.
As you can see right there.
Is it enough?
Yep. Say hi to Addie. His name is Addie. What's your name?
Addie.
My name is Viraj.
Yeah.
Your name is Rajdeep. Sorry. He's doing it as tight as you can. Don't do it too tight.
Is it enough?
Yes, sir.
Must be enough.
Yeah.
Remember, this oxygen sensor is in the comments below. It's kind of loud. Sorry. It's just that.
Okay, go. Pull this one. So hopefully, pull this one.
Hopefully, your oxygen sensor will work.
This is hot.
What?
This.
You need something to let that go in there. Like that, maybe. So. Hold this.
While we're waiting for him, what are you staring at?
That car, that white one. And
That one?
Yeah, and I think that calls like has copied the Audi.
Do you think so?
Yeah, look. It's almost copied the Audi.
Cool. Oh, that's all. Tell Mama we're almost done. I don't know. Shall we put that one there or not? Put like
No.
that?
I don't think you should. It's just like tape.
Yeah, that's alright.
Is the video recording?
Yes, sir. And say,
So this was heavy.
ding, ding, ding,
Heavy,
ding, ding, ding.
heavy.
Comment down below what type of car you have.
Why do you wanna know?
I have no idea. I'm just interested. Nice.
Yeah. So you just plug it in. It's time to. How does it go? Like that?
You know how it goes.
You just
Put it back inside.
slide it in.
And are you done? Oxygen.
Kind of done. And, yeah. Oh my god.
So now we are done. Subscribe and comment.
And comment.
Comment down below, right? This is our
Yeah.
first video, so yeah.
Please subscribe.
And we don't know how to repair a car.
If you try, you get it.
Yeah. What did you say?
If you try, you get it.
Yeah, you
It's
just
easy.
keep trying.
It's
Easy.
just
Right.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay.
So there is one important thing. So when you're gonna change the oxygen sensor, your engine light may come up, and when you do a OBD reading on your car, it will say that which oxygen sensor is bad. I will put that OBD reader's details as well in the video, like what errors it shows, and one important thing, once you change your oxygen sensor, you need a OBD reader to clear that error code from the car. Basically, you first do a OBD reading on your car, and if you find that the oxygen sensor code, then it means you need to order a new oxygen sensor and change it. And then after you change the oxygen sensor, clear that code. Easy.
Thank you. Please subscribe.
And like,
Please.
and like